Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, north central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Addison, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elmhurst, Lombard, O'Hare Airport, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, Glen Ellen, Melrose Park, Franklin Park, Roselle, Bloomingdale, Villa Park, Bellwood, Bensonville, Wooddale, Northlake, Schiller Park, Itasca, Hillside, Rosemont, Berkeley, Stone Park, and Medina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no